Set to embark on a journey to Sri Lanka? Dive into our comprehensive 2-week guide, tailor-made for newcomers. Read on for invaluable insights about this beautiful island nation. Undoubtedly, Sri Lanka holds a special place in my heart. Having been there twice, I eagerly await my next trip. Sri Lanka is a treasure trove of rich culture, history, remarkable wildlife, pristine nature, breathtaking beaches, and welcoming locals. While it might be easy to assume its close geographical connection with India would imply similarities, in reality, Sri Lanka stands distinctively apart. If you're gearing up for a Sri Lankan escapade and seek advice, look no further. Here are crucial pointers to ensure your trip is smooth. Sri Lanka has 2 main monsoon seasons, so it's crucial to plan accordingly. Generally, December to March is ideal for the west and south coasts, while April to September is best for the east coast. Most travelers need a visa to enter Sri Lanka. Apply for an electronic travel authorization (ETA) online before your trip. The Sri Lankan rupee, LKR, is the official currency. ATMs are widespread but always have some cash on hand, especially in rural areas. Drink bottled water to avoid any stomach issues. Be cautious about street food. While it's delicious, it might not always agree with foreign stomachs. Bring insect repellent. Dengue fever is prevalent in certain parts. Though Sri Lanka boasts 2 international airports, most travelers prefer Bandaranaike International Airport, 30 kilometers north of Colombo. Another option is Matala Rajapaksa International Airport in the south. When visiting religious sites, cover your shoulders and knees. Removing shoes is customary in temples. Trains are a scenic way to travel, especially the journey between Kandy and Ella. 3-wheelers or tuk-tuks are a standard mode of short-distance transportation. Always negotiate the fare before the ride. Sri Lanka offers many accommodations, from luxury resorts to budget guest houses. It's recommended to book in advance, especially during peak seasons. Don't miss out on local dishes like hoppers, kotu, rice, and curry. Ask for a milder version if you're not accustomed to spicy food. National parks like Yala and Udawolo are famous for elephant sightings. Wulpochu is great for leopards. If visiting between November and April, head to the southern coast for blue whale watching. Sri Lankans greet with the phrase "Air Awan," meaning "May you live long." Always use your right hand when giving or receiving something. The left hand is considered unclean. SIM cards are readily available at the airport and from local providers. Internet connectivity is reasonably good in cities and tourist areas. While bargaining is common in markets, always respectfully and with a smile. Always have travel insurance covering medical emergencies, cancellations, and loss or theft of valuables. While many Sri Lankans speak English, learning a few basic phrases in Sinhala or Tamil can be helpful and appreciated by locals. Sri Lanka isn't a party hub, but you can enjoy local drinks like arak. While beer is available, its quality might not be up to everyone's taste. Remember to relax and go with the flow. Sri Lankans are known for their warm hospitality, so embrace the local culture, savor the diverse cuisine, and enjoy the island's natural beauty. Safe travels. Keep this journey alive and thriving. Like, share, and subscribe, urging more to discover the beauty and grandeur that is Sri Lanka. Until we meet again, in stories or travels, take care and let the spirit of this beautiful isle linger in your hearts.